Earth's history is a saga of titans, creatures so powerful they shaped entire ecosystems. But change is the planet's only constant. Cataclysms and climate upheavals swept even the mightiest away, leaving only fossils as echoes of their reign. Here are 10 extinct animals whose power once ruled the planet. Tyrannosaurus rex, with bone-crushing jaws, ruled as North America's apex predator. Its reign ended instantly when an asteroid struck, reminding us even the mightiest can fall. Spinosaurus, larger than T-Rex, ruled ancient rivers with crocodile-like jaws and a striking sail. Equally at home in water and on land, it hunted giant fish, a true river monster. But changing worlds swept it away. Megalodon, the largest predatory fish, ruled ancient oceans, preying on whales with massive teeth. As oceans cooled and prey disappeared, only its giant teeth remain as proof of its reign. Argentinosaurus, a living mountain over 100 feet long, was among the largest land animals ever. Its size deterred predators, and its herds shaped ancient landscapes. These gentle giants were ecosystem engineers, until time erased them. Smilodon ambushed giant Ice Age prey with deadly fangs, until its prey vanished, and so did it. Dunkleosteus, armored and jawed, ruled the Devonian seas with a bite that could shear through armor. When its world changed, this armored nightmare vanished forever. Quetzalcoatlus, with a wingspan like small planes, soared above Cretaceous plains, but disaster struck. The Sky Titan's fate was sealed by the cataclysm that ended the dinosaurs. Woolly mammoths shaped the Ice Age tundra and supported early humans, until climate and hunting drove them extinct. Their loss transformed entire ecosystems. Titanoboa, longer than a bus, ruled steamy swamps, crushing giant prey, until cooling temperatures ended its reign. The short-faced bear, towering and fast, ruled Ice Age North America as predator and scavenger. Its reign ended when prey vanished, a fate shared by many giants. Even the strongest can be undone by change. These titans shape their worlds, but their extinctions show that no power is permanent. Life adapts, filling voids left by vanished giants. The fossil record holds countless tales, reminders of nature's cycles and the march of time.